Hi, it's British Cook. Welcome to my British royal wedding, Wimbledon picnic. Do you want to know how to make British royal coronation chicken just like this? Absolutely delicious. A timeless dish, really easy to make. Keep watching. Hi, welcome to British Cook. Today I'm making royal British coronation chicken. So today's a big day. Prince Harry's getting married. I think my invite must have got lost somewhere in the post, maybe. I'm not sure. Mate, Your Royal Highness, I'm not sure what happened. I'm sorry I'm not there. Obviously, my invite must have got lost somewhere. Have a fantastic day. What I'm making today is British Royal Coronation Chicken. It's called Coronation Chicken, quite interestingly, because it was made for the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. This really delicious and super simple recipe can be used in salads, on top of jacket potatoes, and in sandwiches as well. I'm not sure if you can hear the birds in the background. Let me know if you can. Got the windows open. It's going to be a beautiful, sunny, fresh day. Ingredient-wise, we've got around about 200 grams of chicken. That can be chicken breast or chicken thigh. Use leftovers ideally if you want to, or you can use turkey as well. About 2 heaped tablespoons of full fat, full egg mayonnaise. About 2 heaped tablespoons of natural Greek yogurt. Around about a heaped tablespoon of curry powder. This is mild curry powder. Always good to try with mild first of all, then you can raise the heat if you want to. So for some reason it didn't record, but what I've done is I've put half the curry powder in here and I've squeezed in a bit of lime. I've cut a lime in half and just squeezed in a few drops and then give it a good stir around and let it marinate for a minute. Next up, 2 tablespoons of good quality mango chutney. Pop that in there with the chicken. So Coronation Chicken was originally designed for the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II, and it was designed to be a dish that people could make at home as well, because after the Second World War, still in 1953, there's really strict rationing in the UK for some things. So people could get curry powder at home and they can make this. They wouldn't have had the limes, that's something I've just added onto it. And ever since then, it's been a really popular British dish. If you go to a shop, you'll see this in sandwiches. You'll be able to buy it in the UK. It's really good, and it's something that's lasted the test of time. It's really tasty and really simple. 2 tablespoons of sultanas, dried ones. I'm going to pop them in now. As I said, it doesn't matter if you can't get all the ingredients for this. It's pretty good if you have the curry powder, chicken and mayonnaise. This is a fresh apricot. It's a really ripe one, very soft, very sweet. I'm going to chop this up into small pieces and pop it in there too. I hope you can still hear the birds outside. The apricot is chopped up and it's in there. So I'm going to add the 2 heaped tablespoons of the Greek yogurt. Pop that into there. Next I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Remember our mild curry powder? Now is the time to put the majority, but not all of this, back in there. You want a tiny little bit left for sprinkling on top. And we're going to give that a good stir around. And you'll see it all starts to change colour. Now if you want to, you can eat this straight away, but it's probably best to give it 10 or 15 minutes for the spices to combine with the mayonnaise and the Greek yogurt and for that flavour to come out of the curry powder. Also, at the end of June, I'll be choosing one of my Patreons to give this away to. My apron, the one I'm wearing. I'm going to send out to someone, no matter where they are in the world, and a little present too. As a thank you, I'm giving it away. So if you want to take part in my Patreon community and be part of this giveaway, click the link that's coming up there or over there. There or there. Joining my Patreon community costs them just $5 per month. That's like buying me coffee a month. If you enjoy what I do, I really hope I can see you there. If you're still here after that, well done. I'm about to show you what I actually do to this to make it out of this world a little bit different, a lot better. Sriracha sauce, lime peel, more curry powder, a small amount of salt and pepper, not very much, already tastes pretty good as it is. A good tablespoon of sriracha. This should make enough for about 3 to 4 sandwiches. It depends on how big you like your sandwiches. To put it into a sandwich, you want to butter the bread nicely, you want to put a bit of watercress in there, not too much salad, and let it shine. This is delicious on its own. To finish it off, if you fancy it, just a little bit of extra curry powder. Might be getting quite spicy now though. That's how I like it. On goes that finely grated lime rind. Just give that a little bit of extra zing. Really nice. This video is part of a series on how to make British picnic recipe ideas at home, no matter where you are in the world. So there will be a link in the comment posted down below where you can link to the other videos and see what else I'm making.